Welcome to this video on the best tricep exercises to do at home. If you're looking to build stronger, more defined arms, you're in the right place. The triceps are a large muscle group located at the back of your upper arm, and they're just as important as the biceps for achieving balanced arm strength. Having strong triceps not only helps improve the overall appearance of your arms but also plays a vital role in enhancing your performance in other exercises, such as push-ups and bench presses. In today's video, we're going to show you some of the most effective and easy-to-do tricep exercises you can perform at home, without the need for any fancy equipment. These exercises will target all three parts of the tricep muscle, helping you build strength, size, and definition. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit more experience, you'll find exercises that suit your level. All you need is your body weight, a bench, or a simple chair, and you're ready to start. So, grab a water bottle, get into your workout gear, and let's dive into some of the best exercises for building those triceps. Part 1. Warm-up and importance of triceps. Before jumping into the exercises, it's important to warm up. Warming up helps prepare your muscles for the workout ahead and reduces the risk of injury. Doing a few minutes of light cardio, such as jumping jacks or arm circles, will get the blood flowing and make your triceps ready to work. Now, let's talk a bit more about the tricep muscle. The triceps are made up of three heads: the long head, the lateral head, and the medial head. Each of these parts plays a role in different movements, and by focusing on exercises that hit all three heads, you'll ensure a well-rounded workout. Understanding how the triceps work can help you perform the exercises with proper form and get the most out of your training. A combination of pushing exercises and isolating movements will target each part of the muscle group effectively. Tricep dips are a great bodyweight exercise to target the triceps. You can do them on a bench, a chair, or even a sturdy table. How to do tricep dips? Sit on the edge of a bench or chair with your hands resting on the edge, fingers pointing forward. Slide your butt off the edge and lower your body down toward the floor. Keep your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle as you lower yourself. Push through your palms to lift your body back to the starting position. Tips: keep your back close to the bench to focus more on your triceps. Make sure your elbows are pointing straight behind you, not out to the sides. For a greater challenge, you can add weight by placing a dumbbell on your lap. Why it's effective? Tricep dips are excellent for targeting the entire tricep, especially the long head, which gives your arms that full, muscular appearance. Adding weight or adjusting your body angle can make this exercise more challenging as you progress. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best exercises for overall upper body strength, and they also target the triceps effectively. While regular push-ups work the chest and shoulders by narrowing your hand placement, you can put more emphasis on your triceps. How to do push-ups for triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders. Bring your hands closer together so that they form a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Lower your body down as you bend your elbows close to your sides. Push back up to the starting position. Tips: keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Make sure your elbows stay close to your body throughout the movement. If you're a beginner, you can start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups to build strength. Why it's effective? Diamond push-ups are a great tricep exercise because they force your triceps to work harder than in regular push-ups. They target the lateral and long heads of the tricep muscle, promoting both strength and definition. Close grip push-ups are similar to the regular push-up but with a closer hand placement, making them even more focused on the triceps. How to do close grip push-ups? Get into a standard push-up position. Place your hands closer together, so they are directly under your chest or slightly inside your shoulders. Lower your body while keeping your elbows close to your sides. Push back up to the starting position. Why it's effective? This variation isolates the triceps more, and by maintaining a narrow hand position, you'll put less strain on your chest and shoulders while intensifying the work on your arms. Tricep kickbacks are a great isolation exercise that helps target the triceps directly. Grab a pair of light dumbbells or resistance bands. Bend forward at the hips, keeping your back straight. Hold the dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Extend your arms fully behind you, squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. Slowly return to the starting position. Why it's effective? Tricep kickbacks target the long head of the triceps, helping to improve muscle definition and strength. Since it's an isolation movement, it allows for better control and focus on the triceps. For those who want to take their tricep training to the next level, we'll also cover advanced exercises like overhead tricep extension, skull crushers, tricep push-ups with elevated feet. These exercises require more equipment, but are highly effective at building mass and strength in the triceps. In this video, we've covered some of the best tricep exercises you can do at home, ranging from beginner-friendly moves like tricep dips and close grip push-ups to more advanced exercises for those looking to challenge themselves further. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building muscle, so be sure to incorporate these exercises into your regular routine. Don't forget to warm up before starting your workout and cool down afterward to avoid injury. Keep your form in check and progressively increase the intensity as you get stronger. With dedication and patience, you'll see significant improvements in your tricep strength and definition. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future fitness content. Keep pushing yourself and stay committed to your fitness journey.